All right, so hit air fry. Time, you want to do 8 minutes. And temperature, 380. You want to hit air fry and hit start. All right, then there's a delay. It'll say on and you have to let the thing warm up. It'll say add food and pull it out, and you want to put your hot dogs in there. All right, so your hot dogs are in there. Push the thing and it'll do the 8 minutes at 380 degrees. And with this Instapot, Insta air fryer, it'll tell you when to turn the food. So we just have to wait till it gets down to 3 or 4 minutes. I actually missed it, YouTube, but it said turn your food. So you want to pop this off. You see those hot dogs? And you just want to turn them. But watch out, they're very hot. All right, so they're done. So you just want to let them go for another 3 minutes and then they're set. 8 minutes and you could have grilled hot dogs at home. And there you have it, YouTube, hot dogs in 8 minutes. Just like you did it outside on the grill, even in winter.